Let me make this clear. Ever since the very beginning, everybody knew that a required $10,000 per XRP is going to happen. And now we just got the emphasis 10 times more as BlackRock analyst Larry Fink highlighted exactly that, $10,000 per XRP as a requirement. Not only did he highlight the fact that BlackRock, Vanguard, and other multinational financial institutions have begun discussing the use of XRP for cross-border payments, and of course the fact that BlackRock is likely to launch an XRP ETF, but he also highlighted on the fact that the entire real estate market, which is a $30 trillion market, is about to be tokenized all on the XRP ledger, requiring for a high value per XRP coin. In fact, with the planned $1.2 quadrillion in the ISDA, or the International Swaps and Derivatives Association, that is all said to be utilized by the XRP ledger and by the RippleNet system, mainly the XRP digital asset, $10,000 is only the beginning, and we're looking close to $60,000 per XRP as being the real number. Now, before we jump into all the details, let us announce our massive XRP giveaway to all the XRP holders. It's actually very easy to enter. All you're gonna have to do is tap that like button, subscribe to the channel with your post notifications on, and share this video. Once we hit 21,000 subscribers, we'll be rolling the giveaway, so good luck to everybody and let's get right into it. I'll begin by rolling this exact clip to you guys. BlackRock's Larry Fink highlighted that tokenizing everything will be done by Ripple using its digital asset XRP. And in the next clip I'm going to show you Larry Fink, BlackRock, of course, also cited that the XRP ETF is coming by BlackRock personally. Let's roll the clip.
We believe the next step going forward will be the tokenization of financial assets. And that means every stock, every bond will have its own, basically, CUSIP. It'll be on one general ledger. Every investor, you and I, will have our own number, our own identification. We could rid ourselves of all issues around illicit activities around bonds and stocks and digital by having a tokenization. But the most importantly thing, we could customize strategies through tokenization that fits every individual. We would have instantaneous settlement. Think about all the costs of settling bonds and stocks. But if you had a tokenization, everything would be immediate because it's just a line item. And so we believe this is a technological transformation for financial assets. I believe if you want to talk about voting and voting choice and all the things, if we know every moment who is the owner of that stock and it's now time to vote, every individual who has ownership is identified and they can vote their own share. Advent of Bitcoin ETFs is an example that we're legitimizing it. We're creating more safety.
Well, let me ask you this. Will you do another ETF? How about an XRP ETF? I know you got Ether out there. How about XRP? Can you answer that?
I can't. And you don't want me to.
I do.
Well, I can't.
All right. They're giving me the rap. Thank you.
Advent of Bitcoin.
Over the last couple days, there has been almost an absurd amount of glitches. XRP has skyrocketed to over $43,000 on a worldwide exchange known as Crypto.com, and it's only just been exponentially growing that we've been getting news that XRP has continuously skyrocketed in value. Just last week, we talked about a $7,000 XRP glitch that happened on another prominent exchange, and today it's on Crypto.com. And so this cycle of exchanges just suddenly skyrocketing in value for XRP isn't stopping anytime soon. Now, I want to take a bit of a shift because after a ton of in-depth research, I was able to uncover something that I think is interesting that isn't exactly related to BlackRock, nor is it related to, the global wealth or the XRP price, but rather Gary Gensler and the SEC. Most of us know Gary Gensler, the SEC chairman that took over from Jake Clayton and still continued to announce XRP as a security. Well, it turns out that his twin brother, the exact same age, an identical twin brother in fact, called Robert N. Gensler, is running an investment firm. And it's called, he's the vice president right here of T. Rowe Price, and that is the actual investment firm. But if you look at the details, the investment firm T. Rowe Price is one of the largest investors in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. And so it kind of brings the fact that maybe Robert Gensler has some insider information that is not released to the public, that XRP is the next biggest asset, like similar to Bitcoin and Ethereum. And so that's why they're so highly invested into these three cryptocurrencies. Of course, the SEC likes to play the fact that there's no insider trading happening, but it's been caught on multiple occasions. There's been reports and verifications by internal intelligence and investigations, the market manipulation, and not just market manipulation, but insider trading has been a continued occurrence for the SEC. And so most times what we see here is we see a lot of these SEC officials tell their relatives to buy into these digital assets that they're going to declare as not a security, and then they go ahead and buy in, then they declare not a security, the price skyrockets, and of course their family and friends are able to get in cheap and sell high. And so we've been seeing this, and this just might be one of the cases where, you know, Robert and Gensler, the vice president of T. Rowe Price, got confirmation from his brother Gensler that yes, the SEC is likely to lose the lawsuit and XRP is likely to win. And so as a result, Congress is going to force the Ripple Labs company and the SEC to settle. And so get prepared, you should get in if you're looking to make yourself a good chunk of cash. And so we're seeing now the T. Rowe Price firm actually investing more and more into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most importantly, and the highlight of the video really, is the XRP digital asset. And while we talk about 10, 20, 30, 40, maybe even $60,000 per XRP, there's other cryptocurrencies that are booming. The same analysts have been analyzing XRP and citing that XRP is about to hit over $589, like Jack the Rippler, and of course, XRP Whale, all citing massive price increases for XRP, have been citing some crazy prices for the crypto trading fund token that has been getting massive traction. We're talking about a utility-based coin that has the potential to reach $15 in a matter of literal days, and it's currently sitting at less than 25 cents. If you guys read this, Jack the Rippler cites Tokenization, which is actually the main Twitter account, just broke a crucial level and might hit $15 from 25 cents. Last time it did something similar, it went up 3,700% in a day. On the other hand, we got XRP Whale citing literal $1,000 price increase right here, starting with a potential $500 in a couple of months. And it cites, CTF token is shaping a common handle pattern suggesting an imminent price surge. Guys, let me just summarize it to you. I did my personal research as well, and it turns out the CTF token is about to boom and make millionaires. I've invested into it because of the fact that it has so much potential. It's relatively new. There's very little total supply, about only 120 million coins. There's only about 700 holders, and the potential is so massive. The CTF token literally incentivizes you holding by giving you passive income. So not only is the price rising over time due to its real life partnership use case and all the massive announcements that they're doing, but it's also giving you passive income. So either way, you're making money. And when you get analysts like Jack the Rippler and most importantly XRP Whale, individuals with literally massive followings, like in this case 200,000 followers, XRP Whale has about 120,000 followers, people that are verified telling you that the CTF token is going to reach an astonishing $1,250 as buy pressure comes in, and it's very logical. They're telling you 95,000% surge, the charts show it, the breakouts show it, the potential is there, then it makes sense. And this is why I got in very early, like now, because I think now is very early. I literally just bought in, and I've been continuously buying the dip and buying anytime it retraces, which it doesn't retrace that often, but it's because you're getting verification. There's been massive news about this token. It's now starting to build traction. You're getting in early. You're getting into a coin that has low supply, that is getting massive demand. You're getting these analysts that are coming out saying, you know, CTF token is going to reach $1,000. It just starts to connect the dots, and the doorbells start to ring, where now you should get incentivized to at least do some research into it. Keep in mind, getting into CTF at 24 cents, like I have right now, is, in my personal opinion, the equivalent of getting into Bitcoin at $1. When it was dirt cheap, nobody really knew about it, yet it was something that had massive potential and is now worth $60,000 per coin. Anybody that bought into Bitcoin at $1 is now a multi-millionaire. It's the same exact thing. Everybody that bought Bitcoin at $1 looked for a few things, and then there's low supply, massive demand, and literally getting in as early as possible. If you didn't buy Bitcoin at $1 and you bought it at, let's say, 50K, then yes, you made $10,000, but you didn't make generational wealth. It's the same thing. If you get into CTF token now at 24 cents, you're buying in very early. In my personal opinion, that's exactly what I did. I bought in CTF right now at 24 cents because I think we are extremely early. We're just beginning. Now, of course, it's possible that if I bought in at, CTF coin at $100, that it went to $200, but that's not generational wealth. That's just some money that I made. Maybe I make a couple thousand, maybe I make a maximum of 10,000. I'm not making millions. But if I buy in now, like I have at 24 cents, and it skyrockets to 100, 200, well, I'm now a multi-millionaire. Again, the equivalence of buying Bitcoin at $1 for myself and then going ahead and selling it at 60,000. Now, I didn't catch Bitcoin at $1, but what I'm trying to catch is the next gem or the next cryptocurrency that's gonna make me millions of dollars like Bitcoin would have if I bought it at $1. And right now, my research says, for me personally, CTF token is my opportunity. Now, of course, you can get in and not only just go ahead and hope that the value rises, which is likely to do so, but begin earning passive income. Like I've already accumulated, I think, over 500 free CTF tokens just by holding my coins, which it makes sense to hold because we're trying to make generational wealth here. So we're waiting for CTF to hit $200, $300, $400. But of course, if you want to get in, all you have to do is head to ctftoken.com. I'll link it in the description for you guys just for convenience. You can click buy CTF token now. It will bring you to the page and you'll be able to get in. Again, I'll link everything in the description so that you guys, it's a lot easier for you rather than you having to go search for it. It's right there. Now it's time to re-talk over the XRP ETF because we've been getting a lot of news for it, and I'll tell you my personal opinion on this. The XRP ETF is coming. I think it's undebated. It's going to happen. It's a matter of when, and for me, I think it's a matter of weeks or months at latest, as we see the way BlackRock is taking its stance. BlackRock is likely to accept XRP, and we know that the 99.8% approval rate for BlackRock's ETFs are going to happen. So it's likely that if XRP ETF gets released by BlackRock, it's going to get approved, and so the price is going to skyrocket. In this article, to $24,000. Now, sometimes it's crazy to imagine, but it is likely, and you do need a reminder to tell you. And so I recommend getting your own personalized XRP coin with case on metalcrypto.com, which I'll link in the description. You can get your own personalized one in gold and or silver. They also have the Ripple XRP cap or the Neo style XRP coin with case, whatever you like. And again, you will get 10% off if you do use the link in the description on metalcrypto.com. Again, you can check it out and get yourself your juicy metal crypto coin. That's going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel with your post notifications on, share this video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.